Content, get into our truck. First thing I talk about is my seat belt. Not torn, not ripped, not damaged. Latches and unlatches. Sir, I have a fire extinguisher. Pin present, fully charged, valid sticker, ABC or BC type, properly mounted and secure. I have 3 red reflective triangles, clean and functional. I have fuses, 1 for every electrical item in my truck, minimum of 7. Now I'm going to perform a safe start. Apply my clutch, extract the neutral, double check my brakes, turn my ignition on, the lights come on. Now push it all the way to the floor, turn the engine over, boom, it's starting. Easy on my clutch. As I'm building pressure on my primary and my secondary, I'm going to type out my other gauges. My water gauge between 170 and 210, lights off, it is working properly. Between my oil building pressure between 20 and 60 psi, my lights off, it is working properly. My voltmeter between 12 and 14, 13.9, it's working properly, telling me my generator is working. My ABS light comes on after I start my engine for 90 seconds and then shut off. Then I know my ABS system is working properly. If it stays on after 90 seconds, I gotta go see the mechanic, problem with my anti-lock brake system. So as it's building pressure, I'm gonna talk about my next system, my lights. First click is my marker lights. Second click is my low beam, 250 feet. High beam, 500 feet. Left turn signal, right turn signal, 4-way flashers, working properly. Turn off the lights. Go to horns, electric horn, beep beep, city horn. Air horn, beep, or highway horn. Minimum 1 horn must be working. No horns work, this vehicle is out of service. From horns to heater. Turn my heater all the way up, put it on the vent, and blowing hot air, it is working properly. Switch it over to the defroster, blowing hot air in the windshield, working properly. Now my windshield, rubber gasket, not torn, not ripped, not damaged, not leaking. Nothing blocking my view. No paperwork, no McDonald's bags, no Starbucks coffee. In the corner I have 2 stickers, 1 for my insurance, 1 for my truck and trailer. Minimum, no illegal stickers, must be current and updated. There's my DOT or my safety inspection sticker, it must be current and updated. If I have a crack in my windshield at 1/4 of an inch, I can operate the vehicle but must buy a new windshield. 2 cracks or something bigger, the vehicle out of service. From windshield to wipers. My wipers are properly mounted, secured, rubber blade not torn, not ripped, not damaged, arm not broken, not bent, and must have window wash. No water, fill it up. My mirror properly mounted, secured, glass clean, not cracked, not damaged, and the mirror adjusted for the driver. Now I double check my air again. I have 125 psi, now I can do brakes. So the first brake I do is going to be my truck parking brake. I'm going to apply my clutch, put myself into low gear. Apply means to pull the tractor brake. Release the trailer brake by pushing in. Ease off my clutch. As soon as I feel the resistance, push the clutch in. Apply the trailer, back to neutral. Ease off on the clutch. My conclusion, my truck parking brake is working properly. Next brake will be my trailer parking brake. Apply my clutch, low gear, apply the trailer, release the truck, ease off on my clutch, there's my resistance, apply the clutch, apply the parking brake, back into neutral, ease off on the clutch. My trailer parking brake is working properly. Next brake will be my Johnson bar. Apply my clutch, low gear, release both truck and trailer, quickly apply the Johnson bar, easy off my clutch, there's my resistance, release it, apply both brakes, back into neutral, ease off of my clutch. My Johnson bar is working properly. Next brake will be my combination brake, sir. Gonna move the vehicle 10 feet or 5 miles per hour and should stop in a straight line without holding onto the steering wheel. Apply my clutch, low gear, release both truck and trailer, and we start going. Ease up on the clutch, 5, 4, 3, clutch in, 2, fingers open, 1, brake, we stop. Then we apply the parking brakes. Back into neutral. Ease off of my brake pedals. My conclusion, sir, I stopped in a straight line, so my combination brake is working properly. From there, sir, I'm going to build up my air pressure to a maximum 125 psi. So I step on the accelerator, put the needle at 15 and hold it. As it builds up pressure, both primary and secondary, I let them know. Maximum pressure 125, sir. Now you're gonna do the leak down. Little false safe precaution. Clutch, low gear, engine off. Dun, 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 dun. Let go of the clutch. Turn the key on. The lights come on. Now I release truck and trailer. I'm gonna put my foot on the brake pedal and hold for 1 minute. I should not lose no more than 4 psi in my combination, 3 psi in my straight truck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. According to my gauges, I did not lose no more than 4 psi in my combination. I have no leaks throughout the whole system or brake chambers. Now, sir, I'm going to do my fan down 1 under the same conditions, no touch. I'm going to fan down the brake pedal at 70 to 60 psi. My warning light should come on. 100, 80, 70. Warning lights are on. Sir, my conclusion, my low air pressure warning light system working properly. Fan down 2, sir. I'm going to continue fanning down the brake pedal at 45 to 20. My trailer pop out first to prevent the jackknife. At 40 to 20, my truck will pop out at low air pressure. Keep pumping, pop, pop, clutch, back into neutral. Turn off my key, double check my brakes. My conclusion, sir, my emergency brakes are working properly. That's how we do it for manual.
Okay.